Today, let's take a look at the Ferraris and Lambos that aren't on that wall there. Let's start with the Lambos. Got some beauties. Not really big on this one, to be quite honest, but let's see what else we got in the way of Lambos. These, of course, don't really look like the classic Lamborghinis, but they are still pretty cool. That one. Got a couple of the other ones, the Lamborghini Urus, I think that's how you pronounce it. Not a bad looking car, and the red version of it as well. And then we have a good old Countach. Most of these are Hot Wheels, and I say that as I show a matchbox. Well, that worked out well. Okay. Now we got some bunch of white Lambos. Just different ones I've picked up over the years. I wish I had more wall space so that I could post all of them on the walls, but unfortunately I'm basically out of room here in the Hot Wheels room. Just put these here so you can kind of see them. Just kind of looking for a new room, I guess, because there's not much more I can do. I have 3,000 on the walls here, so. Anyway, these are the Lambos. And one final one. This one is a Maisto. Not really big on Maisto, nor this model, but it's a Lambo. 1966 Lambo, actually. That's pretty much for the Lamborghinis. Let's just move these over here, because I got a load of Ferraris to go through now. Let's take a look at the Ferraris we got. That one's seen better days, I must say. The old Ferrari P4. Nice and shiny. Not a bad looking car, actually. I'm not so big on the ones that look like, you know, industrial racing cars, but I more like the ones that you could be driving on the street. Like I said before, most of these are Hot Wheels. This is a Ferrari California. Kind of like that one. It's cool. These are all the red ones that I'm starting out with, because traditionally, of course, you like the red Ferraris. This is actually, I like this one. This one's in great shape. Got the dot wheels on there, which is kind of cool. This one is a Matchbox Ferrari. Oops, sorry, it's sort of out of focus here. There we go. It's pretty flimsy, that one. It doesn't really feel very good compared to the Hot Wheels ones. Not one so much this one because it's got the plastic base, but the other ones with the steel bases on it, really high quality, like this one. The Race Bait 308 Ferrari. I got a few of those, actually. Oh, this is a 348. But I do have some 308s for sure. Well, here's one that's not red. And I think there's a 308, another 308. Kind of different colors, especially this one here. Some Race Bait 308s. It's a nice decal on there, or tampo. And then finally the old Ferrari. Old race car. I don't see these a lot. Now that would be the red versions of the Ferraris. Now let's get to all the other Ferraris that we can think of. I'll try to go through these pretty quick. There's some actually, well, there's a Race Bait 308 in the beige color. Not sure if that's a color changer. I don't think so. That's kind of a weird one. Would be the yellow version of this. These ones are the Ferraris 512s. Not bad. Ooh, high tech, man. I know a few of them do that actually, but it's just time consuming opening them all up. And now we got to a few white ones. These are the Ferrari FF. This came out a while back. I know I grabbed a few of these. I don't know where the other one. No, that's not one. I know I have a red one like this somewhere. Unless I already showed it. Maybe. Yeah, I'm not sure where it is. Another 308 in silver. Oh, we got the silver. We have the peach color. And of course a bunch of these different ones. There's a I was going to say this is Matchbox. It sure feels and looks like it, but it's a Hot Wheels. Another one with the opening hatch, engine, or whatever. What else? We got one more white one. This one is the 458 Italia. Team Hot Wheels. Pretty cool tampos on that overall. Little Spectra flame action happening there. And then we got a couple blue ones. And other P4. Of course, we got those in the different colors as well. Same number, same car, different color. And a couple more yellow ones, and then the rest are convertibles. More yellow Ferraris. And we have the old convertible Ferraris, the yellow ones, white one. Now I'm running out of room on the table. A blue Ferrari 458 Spider. Not a bad looking ride. And we end it with two of the exact same Ferraris. AR1s, is that what these are? Ferrari F40, I can't really see. At any rate, cool looking Ferraris. I never really get the models down. They're F50s, I believe, something like that. Because there are so many different kinds, and strangely, I'm not really a car guy. I'm more of a collector. But those are cool, and that's basically it. That would be the Ferrari Lambo collection as of right now, and as you can see, it grows and grows. Next up, maybe I'll check out and see what I got for Porsches, because I'm sure I have quite a few of those hanging around as well.